Ultimately, we want to be able to provide all the features and actions and direction so that sites can understand why their site is slower than they want it to be, or how it could be faster and what sacrifices they may have to make on their site to improve that.
Hi everyone, how's it going? Today I want to talk about something massive that is coming on Ezoic, which is a monetization platform for publishers. Now, it is called Ezoic Leap. Before I talk about Ezoic Leap, I wanted to thank you all, do a big shout out to all of you guys. 4,000 subscribers and it's growing. Okay, it's growing daily, it's growing weekly. Thank you so much. I will keep providing value for free and really help people out there. Now, I really appreciate if you can also like the video and subscribe, because that really helps the channel grow and help the video getting discovered by other people. Now, let's get into Ezoic Leap. Now, if you don't know what Ezoic is, it is a monetization platform, free monetization platform. To join, there are just a few criteria: about 10,000 monthly views on your site, and it does not matter the language, you will get approved. Now, some people don't get approved, maybe because of their content or because they don't meet the traffic requirement, but most people get approved. Now, Ezoic allows you to really increase your AdSense income, but they have something massive that is coming called Ezoic Leap, which is a website performance tool. It's coming in about 36 days and it will be free for everyone that is already approved on Ezoic. At some point you will be able to see it on your Ezoic dashboard. If you're already on your dashboard, you will see here, coming soon, Ezoic Leap. Now, what is Leap? I made a video previously and I also wrote a blog post about how to rank higher on Google, and the fact that Google is changing the criteria that they consider in order to rank a site higher, and one of them is really improving user experience. And some of the things that they consider are called web vitals. Web vitals really tell sort of metrics that look like this, that really tells Google how your website is designed to improve the user experience. You have things like loading, interactivity, visual stability of the content, and then you have this one, largest Contentful Paint, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift. And like Google says here, each of the core web vitals represent a distinct facet of the user experience, measurable in the field and reflect the real-world experience of a critical user-centric outcome. So Ezoic Leap does is that it will actually scan your website. Okay, it will be on your dashboard. It will actually scan your website and actually give you all the very details way to really improve your website. And remember, I keep telling people, apply to Ezoic and join Ezoic if you have the chance, because it is a platform or a company that keeps improving. They don't sleep. They're not like other platforms like Mediavine or Arthrive. They really keep improving features for the publisher. And what this Leap is going to do, we're going to play this video and then I'm going to show you exactly what this is going to do. The one thing that is going to replace, it's going to be this Site Speed Accelerator with had paid feature. Now the Leap is going to do much better job than the Site Speed Accelerator. So it's going to make your site faster and also allow you to identify the things on your website that will make it fast as well and improve it. So let's go ahead and play the video.
And I'm going to share something with you today that we are really excited about, and it's called Leap.
And guess what? As it says here on the video, what is Leap? It is a completely free website performance tool set, and they're going to launch it to Ezoic users before Google actually does the US update, because Google is going to do a user experience update that is going to affect a lot of websites. And what Ezoic is really trying to do is launch a new feature or a new tool set that is going to allow publisher to actually pass those core web vital so that Google ranks them higher. So you understand what Ezoic is really trying to do.
Tool set so that sites can analyze and also be able to understand the actions they need to take to improve the complex performance issues that vary from website to website. So the next question, if you're an existing Ezoic customer, probably is, what about the Site Speed Accelerator? Well, the Site Speed Accelerator is going to be completely replaced by Leap when it's launched. So in the Speed tab of Ezoic, you'll start to see Leap when you click on that tab. And
all right, so let's go here on the tab and just click on speed. So if I click here on speed, now what I have is the Site Speed Accelerator. And the Site Speed Accelerator, it has a free plan and a paid plan. And for now, I've heard a lot of people complaining about the Site Speed Accelerator actually not improving the speed of their site, but then they're going to completely replace this thing by Leap, which is actually super interesting.
And Leap will have no paid or plus features. It'll be free for all Ezoic monetization users and free for page views without ads up to 500K page views.
So you understand that you actually have a platform that is dedicated to improve your site. It's a no-brainer to join it. Now, if you want to join it, I'll really appreciate if you click on the link down below to join today. The problem that I have with a lot of paid tools, there are a lot of paid tools that exist out there that claim that can make your site faster, but then from one site to another, really the set of things that you will need to do to make the site faster is different, and those paid tools usually don't address that specificity of your site. And I think this leap will really address the very specific problem of your site by analyzing your site. So
cases don't work for any sites because of that. So we wanted to create something that does more than that, and we feel like we're doing that with Leap. And number one reason why we think it's going to make a huge difference for our sites is because core web vitals are something that 90% of the web currently fails.
And that's true. Like there are millions and millions of websites out there, new blog created every day. And a lot of those websites, 90% of all websites that exist out there usually fail on the Google user experience test, meaning the core web vital, those core web vitals, the UX metrics, most of them fail because they don't have the proper guidance to improve their website.
Many customers achieve fast passing core web vital scores and perfect page speed insight scores. We realize that most sites are struggling with simply understanding what they need to do to make those scores better or improve those metrics.
And this is what Ezoic will do. It will scan it will like do an audit of your site, tell you what you need, very specifically what you need to do, and also help you improving the speed. So let me just show you a quick screenshot. This is the demo. This is what it will look like, okay? When they will launch it to Ezoic users, this is what you will see, the dashboard. You will see under speed here, you will see Leap, the core web vital. It will tell you the score of your mobile of the core web vital on mobile. It will also tell you that on desktop, and then you will have a leaderboard where you can actually see a lot of things that you will need to do.
This will give you an idea of how it will look. And one of the things I want to draw your attention to immediately is our leaderboard. Our leaderboard will allow you to see other sites and how fast they are and what technologies they're using. Things like their host, CDN, if they're using WordPress. If so, what theme are they using? What plugins are they using? What other scripts and technologies are available on the page that could be impacting or improving site speed? Ultimately, we want to be able to provide all the features and actions and direction so that sites can understand why their site is slower than they want it to be, or how it could be faster and what sacrifices they may have to make on their site to improve that.
Okay, so I think at this point I don't even need to finish the video for you to understand that it is a no-brainer. Something that will analyze every single detail of your site, from your host to your plugins, tell you which plugin slows down your site, which plugin is appropriate for your site, maybe which are conflictual, and actually provide you very specific direction on how to make your site faster for free when people are paying hundreds of dollars to get that features. I think it's a no-brainer. I don't want to make this video too long. I'll put the link of the full blog down below so you can check it out, but also I want you to click on the link down below to sign up with Ezoic for free. And if you fully want to know how to set up Ezoic, because setting up Ezoic is a bit complicated, but then I'm going to put the link of the video this blog post down below that will allow you or walk you through how to set up Ezoic properly. You can go on my site, themmsexperience.com, come here under online business software and click on Ezoic review right there. Once you land on this page, you scroll down and here, how do you set up Ezoic video tutorial? You watch this video and then it will walk you through every single step that you will need from when you get approved to actually when you see your first ad. When I communicated with one of the Ezoic staff, really nice guy, he told me that some people get approved by Ezoic, but for some reason they don't know how to complete the setup, or they actually change their mind, or actually they just stop. But I want to tell you this: when you get approved by Ezoic, you will have an Ezoic manager assigned to you. You can ask that manager to actually do the setup for you. If you think it's too complicated to do the setup, someone else can do it for you, meaning your Ezoic manager, or you can fully watch this video. Now, on top of that, he says every approved sign up should receive an email within 1 to 2 days from one of our onboarding specialists, and sometimes publishers just don't respond to those emails. So check your email when you apply for Ezoic. Check your email regularly. If you receive an email from an onboarding specialist, reply to that email. You may, if you think it's complicated, ask him to do the setup for you. And he says we do follow up periodically over time with all accounts that go stale. So I want you to click on the link down below, start applying for Ezoic if you haven't yet, before the future leap actually goes live. Because when it goes live, believe me, you will only have your eyes to cry, because you're not yet on this platform. This is a game changer for all publisher, a team that is working night and day to really bring you the best future. This is not a sponsored video, okay? Ezoic, I'm not a marketing advisor for Ezoic, or I don't do marketing for them, but I use the platform to monetize my website, and I think if you're smart, you should too. There are so many other videos that I've already made about Ezoic on my channel, okay, that you can check out. But again, I really wanted to say thank you, that I appreciate all of you, the 4,000 people that have already subscribed to this channel. You guys make this channel grow and amazing. Thank you so much. Until next time, take good care of yourself. Love you guys. Peace.
And don't forget to smash like and subscribe. Thank you.